Hello and welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, my name is Karan Singh and you are watching Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, our today's topic would be on blow molding. I'll be discussing today what is blow molding, what are the functions of the blow molding, how the blow molding performs, and what are the reason behind starting the blow molding. So the basic concept of blow molding is we make in the blow molding. Mostly the blow molding makes hollow products. You can see this particular product of glue, it has hollowness so that we can easily store some glue in it. Similarly, some jerry cans of the jars of water, the refineries where the refineries packets like Fortune and all these things mainly made up of blow molding process. So basically, when we have started the blow molding, the concept of blow molding was started at the end of 18th century. For example, 1890 around, we have started making some products with the help of blow molding. So the first product was mainly termed for the blow molding was just a child rattle, that is a toy, a special toy for child. We started making that with the help of blow molding. But after some time, we also had started making the plastic bottles. In the around 1940s, we made the first PE polyethylene bottle. Now mainly 12 to 15%. The data itself determines the 12 to 15% we use the product that are made from blow moldings. So blow moldings plays a vital role in the plastic industry. So guys, now what are the types of blow molding? Basically, the blow molding has 4 types. Number 1, extrusion blow molding. The first process, that is extrusion blow molding. The second process, that is injection blow molding. Now the third one is stretch blow molding, and last, that is fourth one. The fourth one is multi-layer blow molding machine, multi-layer blow molding process. Now we will discuss how the products are formed in blow molding. So the products are being simply formed in the blow molding. What happened? Either we took out a parison or a preform from the machine so that we can easily blow it out by giving some external air, so that particular external air took the place of that particular mold in which we are inserting the parison or the preform. For example, this is your parison. What is parison? Parison is a hot melted material, the molten material that comes out from the dia of your machine, so that this particular melted material can be inserted inside the mold, and we can just apply some external air with the help of telescopic rod, and we just blow it out, and that particular parison takes the place of takes the shape of that particular mold, and after that we can just cut it out, and our product is being ready. Now the next thing is how we make the product from preform. The next option was preform. So how we made the product from preform? It's also quite simple. What we do in preform? In preform, first we have to just preheat this particular preform. Preform is a hard substance, so we have to preheat it. What happens when we preheat the preform? The molecules will just shatter down. The molecules of this particular preform will be shattered down, and what happen after giving some special air that we will blow with the help of telescopic rod, and that preform will be kept inside the mold, and we will just put the telescopic rod inside the mold, and we will just blow it out. The air will be blown, and what happen? The preform, the preheated preform will took the shape of this mold, and our product will easily form. Mostly the bottles like Bisleri, Kinley and all, these bottles are just made by the help of this particular preform process. And the cans like jerry cans, Fortune oils, refineries covers and all those jars are basically made from parison. So this was our starting topic for blow molding. We will just know much more in the upcoming video. So guys, if you are new to our channel, either old to our channel, have not subscribed yet, do subscribe by pressing the bell icon and just pressing the subscribe button. Along with that, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys and have a great day.